everybody, it's Jim, Homespark Knife Sharpening. We got a couple of these little pruners in that we're going to work on today. So I want to get them cleaned up a little bit before we sharpen them. So I'm going to use a Scotch-Brite pad, and this is actually, you guys have probably seen something similar to this. This is in the store, they call it power wash or whatever. This is used for dishes. We just make our own, to be honest with you, because it's so expensive in the store. So we make our own, and it's basically in a bottle like this. We'll put maybe about an inch or a little less of dish soap, and then maybe an inch and a half or so of rubbing alcohol, and then we fill the rest with water. And that's basically it. That's like a power wash solution. Kind of has everything in it. We like the way it works. It does a good job. Better than just plain soap with the rubbing alcohol in there. And it does seem to take a lot of the stuff off. Another way to really do this is probably with a Scotch-Brite wheel, which I do not have yet. But it shows that you can kind of start from anywhere with not a whole lot of cost of equipment. Then you can kind of build as you go. And that's what we're doing, as I sharpen some knives and some tools and whatnot. I go ahead and I reinvest that money into other equipment. So it seems like I've kind of constantly got a list that I'm updating of equipment that I'd like to have, and kind of my plans for what's coming next. See, that right there is pretty decent. You know, we could keep going with it, but basically I just wanted to get it cleaned up. I'm not looking to necessarily get every little bit off, but I do want that surface scum off of it, so that's mostly what I'm looking to do here. Okay, let's go ahead and do some sharpening. I think we're going to do this on the Bucktool, so I'll see if I can get you aimed up here so you can see it. Of course, it's kind of interesting. There we go. I'm using a Trizac, the 600 grit, because I think I want to go kind of slow with these. I don't want to take off too much too quick. This right here is our sharpened edge. So that's the angle that we need, is to take this right here. So in order to do that, we can put the pruner around it this way. We can run it right down like this. In fact, I probably have to squeeze these together just a little bit to get the... Yeah. Just like that should work fine. There you go. Let's see if I can show you that edge. Okay. This one that we're going to sharpen, not at all. You see what it's doing? Just pinching the paper. See that? Yeah, it's just pinching it. It's not really cutting it. So this one we're going to be sharpening this edge right here. So again, feels like it's cutting pretty decent. At least if this paper is wet, it's not really helping. So we got ourselves a branch. And right through. Test the other pair. See how they're working. Yep. 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 And that's a pretty decent thickness for a pruner to be going through. So those are done. And we're going to move on with some other stuff we need to do. And we'll show that to you in the next video.